Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to link Airbnb calendar to your VRBO calendar. So you can actually connect those two calendars together. It's very easy. And before we get started, you can obviously go down below and comment down below if you have any issues with VRBO or Airbnb, and I can make a video about it. So first of all, what we want to do is we want to use Hostaway. So Hostaway is an app that will basically give you a will give you a way to link Airbnb calendars to VRBO. So and vice versa, right? So as you can see, you can do a lot of different things, like you can connect Airbnb, VRBO, Booking.com, Expedia, and others. So basically, this is how it's going to look like. So first of all, you need to go into your pricing and availability section and go to the calendar sync. This is on your listings on your Airbnb dashboard. So just go to your listings, go to the pricing and availability, go to the calendar sync, and here you'll need to export a calendar. This is the first step. Now, next, in the export calendar window, you need to copy that link. Now you will need to go to your VRBO account and select the listing you want, click the calendars in the left navigation menu, and then click reservation. Then you'll need to just import, go to the import export icon and click import calendar, and you will need to name your calendar. For example, you can name it Airbnb, or something like that, and choose a color. Paste your Airbnb calendar link there, and then you can make sure the calendar is set to block your calendar availability. You can click import calendar, and that's pretty much it. Now, this is how you can basically go and link Airbnb calendar to VRBO, but keep in mind, you can also do this with Hostaway, which is a great app if you want to go and if you want to link your Airbnb calendars to VRBO and have everything in one place. So yeah, if you want to do that, you can check out hostaway.com for more. And obviously, this was a tutorial video or guide how to link Airbnb calendar to VRBO. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video and find it useful, and we'll see you in the next video.